it sold.
Everything right. Get yours when I broke for the street.
Who else could it be?
NAS. Resurrect through the work of my seat. Queensbridge. Make everything right. Get yours.
My thoughts were drunken from quarts of beers. Was years back before Nasir would explore career in rap. As a music dude, I mastered this Rubik's Cube. Godzilla, fought Gargantua, eyes glued to the tube. Was a long time ago. John Boy Ice, Geronimo, Police, jumping out Chryslers. Easy wider paper. Pops pumping his chest, punching his chest like a gorilla. Outside with psychos, killers. Saw Divine Goon and Chungo. Little Turkey, R.I.P. Tyrone. Remember no curse in front of Miss Mercy. Big Percy, Crazy Paul, the Sledge Sisters. My building was 4016, once in the blue. Always was clean, I knew all that I seen that meant something. Learned early to fear none. Little Nas was hunting, living carefree, laughing. Got jokes on the daily, y'all acting like some old folks, y'all don't hear me. Yo, I'm in my second childhood.
When I broke for the street.
Who else could it be?
NAS. Resurrect through the work of my seat. Queensbridge. Make everything right. Get yours when I broke for the street.
Who else could it be?
NAS. Resurrect through the work of my seat. Queensbridge. Make everything right. Get yours.
Dude is 31, living in his mom's crib. Ex-convict was paroled there after his long bid. Cornrows in his hair, still slinging, got a crew. They break his mom's furniture, watching Comic View. Got babies by different ladies high, smoking L's in the same spot he stood since 85. Well, when his stash slow, he be crazy. Saved by his mom, hit her on her payday. Junior high school dropout, teachers never cared. They was paid just to show up and leave. No one succeeds, so he moves with his peers. Different blocks, different years, sitting on